Welcome to Senior Management Group. My name is Steve Eplin, and I want to give you a quick introduction to reverse mortgages. Now, the first thing I'm going to say is forget about everything you may think you know about reverse mortgages. Whatever you heard from an attorney, an accountant, the hairdresser, anybody, just listen to what I have to say, and you can fact check me afterwards because I'm going to give you the facts. Okay, and I'm also going to say, if you have a house that's free and clear and you have tons of money in the bank, there is no reason for you to take out a reverse mortgage at all, okay? So it's only for people in need, and I'm going to explain to you a little about it in this short video. Okay, so what is a reverse mortgage? A reverse mortgage is just like any other mortgage you take. The difference is that you don't have to make monthly payments. So people say, well, what's the gimmick? And I say, well, there is no gimmick. What happens is just like a Citibank mortgage, you're going to have an interest rate attached to your mortgage. The difference is with a regular mortgage with Citibank, every month you make monthly payments, okay? With our mortgage, a reverse mortgage, when the bill comes every month, you have the ability of making a payment, making an interest payment, or paying absolutely nothing. So the bank does make money on a reverse mortgage, okay? The difference is you don't have to make any payments. Well, how does the bank get paid back? Very simple. When you pass away or you decide to sell your house, whatever accrues or whatever's owed is paid at that time, okay? So it's the government's way of saying, if you're a senior citizen having trouble making ends meet, this is a perfect opportunity for you to stay in your house, afford to live in your house without selling because you have no interest payments due, no mortgage payments due. The only thing they ask you to do is pay your insurance and your real estate taxes and maintain your property, okay? So then people say to me, well, what type of reverse mortgages do you offer? And the good news is there's a bunch of different types depending on what state you live in. Now there's a commercial reverse mortgage if you have a commercial property. There are condo reverse mortgages. There are co-ops that just came out recently. And there's a single family home or a two family home that we're accustomed to throughout the years. The reverse mortgages became very popular because the simple reason is there's a lot of inflation. And the senior citizen who is on Social Security and maybe pension simply can't afford to live in the houses anymore, especially here in New York, California, certain areas of the United States where it may cost you $6 for gas, a gallon. You go and you do your shopping, eggs are expensive, groceries. So the question is, how do I live on Social Security and pension? The answer is, you may not be able to, so that's why we have what's called this reverse mortgage, okay? Who takes it? Very simple. People who have a mortgage they took when they were maybe 60 years old, and it's a 30-year loan, you may not want to pay it until you're 90 years old. People who basically want to pay off their credit cards, you want to do home improvements. The good news is we have so much appreciation with the houses over the last few years that now it's a good opportunity for the house to work for you. All of a sudden we have all this built up equity. It's almost like the seniors can't go to the bank and borrow money. You may not have enough income with the debt ratio. You may have bad credit. So with a regular mortgage, you have monthly payments. So our reverse mortgage may be a perfect opportunity for you. People also ask me, well, I saw the companies on television, and they start comparing smaller companies to ones on television. The ones on television are great. It helps get the word out. It explains the program. The problem you have is, and one of the advantages of working with a smaller company is, after the closing, you have an issue, we always know who you are. You call us up, we can help you. You call a bigger company, the loans in servicing may not be able to help. So I hope I answered some of your questions about the reverse mortgage. And if you have any questions, we encourage you to call up for free in-home consultation. I also encourage you, you may not want to send your documents in the mail to people you don't know. So the good news about us is we see you individually, collect your documents, everything's well protected. So thank you very much. I hope I explained a little bit about the reverse, and have a great day.